in this video, I'm going to show you how to save an image with a transparent background in Paint. Before saving, make sure your image has a transparent background. You can achieve this by using features such as Remove Background or by placing your artwork on a transparent layer. Once your image is ready, click File in the top left corner of the window. Next, select Save As and choose PNG Picture from the list of available formats. The PNG format supports transparency, allowing transparent areas of your image to remain transparent after saving. Choose a file name and save location, then click Save. By saving your image as a PNG file, you can preserve the transparent background for use in presentations, websites, logo, and graphic design projects. And that's it. Thanks for watching.